Welcome back to Act Auto, where machines meet passion. Today we've got something truly iconic, something that defines raw power and timeless style, the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Gray Ghost. If you're a fan of bold cruisers with an intimidating presence, then buckle up, because this isn't just a motorcycle. It's a legacy on two wheels. The Fat Boy has been around since 1990, and over the decades it has cemented itself as one of Harley's most recognizable models. But this special Gray Ghost edition takes it to another level. It's a modern-day muscle cruiser that pays tribute to old-school power while dressing it up in sleek, stealthy style. The matte metallic gray finish gives it that ghostly look, subtle but powerful. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands it. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Fat Boy Gray Ghost looks like it means business. The solid Lakester, wheels, wide front forks, chopped fenders, and that unmistakable LED headlamp. They all come together to create a look that's aggressive yet classy. The blacked-out engine and exhaust components give the bike a shadowy feel, like a wolf running under the moonlight. Every detail has been designed with purpose. Now, let's talk power. At the heart of this beast is Harley's Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin engine. With 1,068 cc of displacement, this monster puts down a massive 119 ft-lb of torque. What that means is, you twist the throttle, and the response is instant. No lag, no hesitation. It growls like a lion and pulls like a freight train. Whether you're cruising down the highway or leaving traffic behind in the city, the Fat Boy delivers a ride that's both thrilling and smooth. The handling on this bike is another highlight. You might think a cruiser this size would feel heavy and hard to control, but thanks to the updated Softail frame and front suspension, it actually rides surprisingly well. The seat is low, just under 26 inches, which keeps your center of gravity stable. Combined with wide handlebars and forward controls, it gives you a commanding, comfortable riding position. Whether you're out for a long-distance cruise or just a short joyride, this bike keeps you in charge. The Gray Ghost Edition also comes with just the right amount of tech. You've got a sleek digital display built right into the tank, giving you all the essential info like speed, gear, fuel level, and trip meters. There's keyless ignition, LED lighting all around, and even a USB port for charging your devices on the go. Harley has done a great job blending classic design with modern convenience. And then, of course, there's the sound. The stock exhaust already delivers that signature Harley rumble, but if you want to really turn heads, an aftermarket system will make this thing roar like thunder. It's not just a sound, it's a presence. People hear you before they even see you, and that's exactly the way it should be with a bike like this. At around $249,000, the Fat Boy Gray Ghost isn't a budget buy, but it's not meant to be. It's for riders who want something that stands out,